Hello everybody. So in this video I will show you how to make some really simple alternative mobile phone charger for emergency situations, because phones these days can be really useful, because like this one, they have flashlights, some GPS connection, and if the network is not down, then you can also go to internet or you can call someone for help. But the only problem will be when the battery will be empty, and when you have some scenario when the electricity is not available because the grid is down. Then in this case you can forget about charging your phone with this wall charger. That's why you need to search for some alternative way to charge your phone. And one possible way to charge your phone is with these batteries. Here I have 4 of zinc carbon AA batteries. And yes, with these 4 batteries I will make some portable power bank to charge this phone. But first, it's good that you have some information about your battery in your phone. What is the capacity, with what voltage can be charged your battery. Then it's also good that you have some information about the capacity of these batteries and so on. Okay, and now about the capacity of your phone. So because I use some Samsung S8, for example, the battery capacity will be 3000 mAh. And the Samsung S8 have 2 charging types. One charging type is the standard charging type, and the voltage which is used by standard charging is 5 volts. The another charging type is some fast charging type, and the voltage which is used by fast charging type is 9 volts. So the Samsung S8, for example, you can charge with 5 volts or 9 volts. Here, for example, I have some charger for Samsung Note 8, and you see that this charger have some 3 charging types: standard, fast and ultra fast charging type. 5 volts, 9 volts and 12 volts. The next information what you need is about the capacity of these AA batteries. So here I have some zinc carbon battery. The capacity of zinc carbon AA batteries is rated from 400 to 900 mAh per cell. So with zinc carbon battery you will be able to charge your phone battery for around 25%, more or less. But if you use some AA alkaline batteries, the alkaline batteries have much more capacity like the zinc carbon batteries, and is rated around 250 mAh. So in this case, if you make some phone charger out from alkaline batteries, then you will be able to charge your phone to around 80%, more or less. And now I will make some portable phone charger out from these AA zinc carbon batteries. So zinc carbon or alkaline batteries you will find really easy almost everywhere. For example, here I have 24 batteries for around €3. So the connection which I will connect these batteries is this. With this setup, here is some serial connection, and with this setup I will get the voltage output of 6 volts. And this 6 volt output will not harm your phone, because when you will connect your phone to these batteries, the voltage will drop to around 5 volts.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the phone, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle. Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Leave it behind with every step I take. Yeah, the cycle down, walls are coming down. I gotta make it out. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, really simple battery power bank for charging your phone. And now that this phone will be fully charged, need to be charged for about 2 hours and 35 minutes. Right now at this moment the the battery state is on 56%. Now I will measure the voltage. Okay, and you see that the voltage of this power bank is dropped to 5.4 volts. To increase the capacity of this alternative power bank, you need to have another 4 batteries which are connected in series. Then this pack of these 4 batteries you connect with this pack in parallel. Then you will double the capacity of this power bank. Okay, about 15 minutes of charging and the battery is on 65% at this moment. So here I use zinc carbon batteries, but it's better if you can use some alkaline batteries, because alkaline batteries have better capacity like these zinc carbon batteries. And at least another alternative to charge your phone when you don't have other options, you can also use some toy car. For example, this toy car have 4 alkaline cells. Okay guys, how to charge your phone in some emergency situations. But remember that this charging method is only used when you don't have any other option. So guys, that's it for now and we see us in the next video. Bye.